Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. And now you also know the story ain't complete if King Mix Up ain't on the beat. And as you can see on the screen, a few of the regular people them that's holding it down for the Jamaican TikTokers. You feel me? You don't know the thing set. Blinger, RT Boss, IVany, you feel me? Well, them know it's the end of the month and you know the time is very active. It's us, and you know the holidays is coming up and birthdays and things and things. So I don't know if these beefs are orchestrated, as a lot of Uno has been saying, you know what I mean? But it's definitely entertaining, you know what I mean? So it's Camcam versus IVany, you see what I say? And the war get very sticky. So let's take a listen to what go on for not to go on, and then we proceed.
Yes, a careless batty woman. But it's a careless batty woman. Yes, it brings forth a decent baby. You come a fire that each up in a mattress box. Your 95 a pay so good they ain't live nowhere decent. Come give your house tour, your place no look good. You're in a mattress box. You're in a mattress box. You're in a mattress box.
Kitchen. I don't want to think
you're in a phone bitch. You're in a phone
bitch.
I say you work good 95 but you don't live nowhere. You look like any Jamaican same way.
We're not out the door and we're not
you're a foreigner, you look like any yard same way. Hard life protect you.
When they take care of your blood,
hard life protect you. Hard life protect you. Hard life street for you. Said I need a 95, but you have a 95 and you look like that, you know. If you have a 95 and look like that, I don't want it, my girl. We all know, sir. You can write down what you want, so you can't cuss me about nothing, because me come tell everybody say me have herpes. And me come telling them say my pussy scratch and smell. You can't tell me nothing in this world when me never telling me that, so you can't cuss me about nothing, my girl. Anything when you come with, I will me done put out. And anything when you come with, the people them in the comments can't finish it. Well, you don't have nothing on you. Rent due, baby father don't want me, but pussy think, me push out ice and him have scratch, me have herpes, syphilis, gonorrhea. Where you can't cuss me about? Me not work in America, me is a border patrol. Me need to go look at life. Where you can't cuss me about in this world?
Oh, who said
nobody in the ear about me? The fuck young boy? Yes.
Drunk,
me fuck the artist them and me tell you know that.
Who sent drunk? Look at girl.
If me fuck the artist them and me tell you know that. Me look at young man them. Me go up on the application. Me sign up fee. So what are you alone to kill up yourself, mama? Me a talk normal.
When I don't talk,
are you alone to kill up yourself? Me not don't talk for now. Me not don't talk for now. I write to some young till bring in our life or till bring a kidnap. What do you have for your life? When you get your man, young cousin.
When you're ready for me, tell me.
Class, you need to go brush your teeth. You can't talk to me without the mouth. Your mouth have fungus. Okay, you can't manage me. I come talk about when you're done.
You're not talking
brush
with
your
blood
teeth.
clots since IVany.
Go brush your teeth.
You're not talking with sense.
Go clean up your little mattress box full cook where you living at. You're there foreign. You look like you're there Jamaica. You're a cross. You're not serve no purpose in America. And you can't tell me something if you go look work. Because the money they want to make in a 15 minutes, you not get that fear of 95. Me I tell you the truth. If I'm me for running the TikTok go to 95, but me I get $200 and $300, I read a blood clot climb on a fence and chuck off headway.
Just restart, me nah nobody.
My money when me I get in 15 minutes. You can't, you're not even gonna get that a month time. You're not get that 2 weeks. You never see them the money there in a 1 day yet. Not even when you goggle balls, you can't get them the money there in a 15 minutes. Me not ask you. If I'm if you go get up and look 95, God come, because the whole of your people them have to go recharge and send you could have
hey, people, me don't have time for careless speed. That girl is careless now. You don't see me don't
get cleaners like you have
that
to get
junk crash down she when she talks to me never want to hear. She a look at eye. Nothing I want for them to check company me because she realize everybody there about me now.
What
so she a try to come, me nah look, me turn she down.
First
of all, she can't come about me at all, you get what me I say?
When you did for your live and you look views, you never did
She not come about me, not
when
that
you
thing.
chat about me and
She not
all
say,
of the
she
things
not
that
say
people
nothing. That's how
you
me turn
never
down because she not say nothing. Because first of all, he pitney head big, he pitney handy, he pitney dirty, he pitney nasty. So,
alright, show your one.
The truth. What she has said now, add up on
Show your daughter.
First of all,
Show your daughter.
my pitney them wear anything them wear want a brand.
Show your pitney.
Let me tell you this, in I go
nobody know your pitney. Them your pitney them in a brand. Nobody know them. I surround the internet. I'm not ask you.
She not say nothing with sense.
I surround the internet. You can't say nothing about eyes. You can't say nothing about eyes. Your baby don't make no sense on the earth. Your baby don't make no sense. Your baby don't make no sense. I want eyes. When I never see your daughter on a screen record yet. Come, you pick the retarded. You're the retarded daughter. Can't come near eyes. I see far him for me, but you have to stop and feel me because you don't have no money to even buy him for me. You're the picnic can't come here. And if you want me, I'm going to buy your picnic. Remember, you're me is a girl, you know. So I can't talk about your pussy. You can't talk about all your daughter pussy being. I'm going to talk to you. Your man pussy for your little daughter. You don't want me to tell you things about your daughter. You don't want me to tell you things about your daughter because you can't talk about eyes.
Cheese, one contact to the baby dirty, you know.
Just like how you fuck out and done all. I see it for the man that you take with you and shove out your daughter. Remember it's a girl baby you have. And you pick the band with a big pussy just like yours. Fuck out and done out. The man that you have in your yard, you just stop with them for fuck out your daughter mouth. Yes, if you want to talk about baby, talk about baby. Show your daughter face on the camera. The biggest thing on her face is her mouth. Why? Because you have the big dirty man them a fuck out your daughter mouth. Yeah. Who know if them a fuck your daughter too?
That nasty if she not
foreign. Who know if the man them when you take a fuck your daughter too? Because you want to talk about ice. Ice young and nice.
No kids, I'm not done the kids.
Clock, man. Jesus,
that nasty if she not foreign.
Alright, we're done the kids.
IVany need a life.
We're not done the kids, guys. We're not done the kids. No kids. Mighty God, me not come for this. We can't manage this. Look at people. Good night. You're unfair, bring her. Go suck your mother. More unfair.
Darling.
Dog shit and come off of my life. When I suck good. No don't get me corrupt. So I come out here, okay, alright, and a bill and a don't get me corrupt and come off of my name.
You can't go dentist.
Never blood.
You know your mouth one clean.
Your months and you go fuck. Go suck
you want clean.
Girl. You can't chat to me.
Not true, you're not a man a fuck you. The man them not want to see your whole Camcam. You see ever did none. You ever watch the none?
Where you thinking, girl?
Camcam, you just a walk and a give your pussy sub. So you're all man, you fucky too much. You want the young man them to keep your all active. You want the young man them to keep your all active. Camcam, you're done out. You're up again. You fuck out and you're supposed to want more fuck right now.
Chat to blood clap me.
You all pussy want young boy to keep your all active. Come, you're done now. You need to die, yeah. You're not start fuck late because you bring the boy away in them 20s and you're in your 50s. Careless. You're a careless batty woman. But is a careless batty woman. Yes, it brings forth a decent baby. You come and fire and eat up in a mattress box. The 95 a pay so good they don't live nowhere decent. Come give your house tour, your place no look good. You're in a mattress box. You're in a mattress box. You're in a mattress box. You're in a cold bitch. You're in a cold bitch. I say you work good 95 but you don't live nowhere decent. You look like you're Jamaican same way. You're a partner, you look like you're yard same way. Hard life protect you. Hard life protect you. Hard life protect you. Hard life print for you. Hard life print for you. Camcam. And if I'm baby, argument. Me not upon baby argument. You're upon my son and me not upon your baby. You realize?
them come off of ice.
You realize you're upon baby
Me
argument.
say,
And me could have tell about your daughter. Me not tell about your daughter.
Me a good woman.
Me grow up that no. Me not go cuss the boy you pick me. And you me a cuss boy.
wear clean clothes.
Me know say ice are the problem. None of the people in the media can compare to ice.
Your blood clot cell for your picnic.
Ice are mad,
You
you
have
know.
a big infection. I walk
Me
with the
know
baby.
say ice are mad, you know. Nobody else can do it like
Go
ice.
ahead,
I just have to admit. What? You realize that I'm and I know me not cuss about your daughter. You gonna make me call you cuss me about ice, me cuss about your daughter. Cause no me not say nothing bad about your daughter.
Nobody can cuss about
And if we talk the truth, come your daughter can't compete in your eyes. No time.
Nobody.
No
Me
time.
come live when me do my two.
Come your daughter can't compete in your eyes. No time.
Clean the blood
Come your daughter can't walk in the ice. She's no time. You know you're nobody talk about your daughter. Me never see your daughter for one screen. I can't get
You're
enough.
a puppy show.
Sometimes we forgot to say even a breed.
You're not gonna get it from me because
Sometimes we forgot to say your breed. We never see your daughter for a video, for a recording yet. But as me say, me not go talk about your daughter. Me unless you baby argument with you. Are you me a talk about? So if you want to suck and pick me argument, I your business. But as me I say, demon bring fire to the man.
Stand me. No come down.
Me can't show it to you walk over your man. You have to stop what you want them man.
Wait till
Even
I
if
come
a
down.
bring fire man, you have to stop
me. I
it.
never trouble you.
Me say you come a foreigner, you still look like you're there
I never
Jamaica.
trouble blood clot
A long
you.
time you trouble, but me just feel like me a come for you now. I am pick for me because your pick them a come like a Ebola, them kill you for fat. Grandma's only to go in your mouth see about your woman where you do caregiving job.
Y'all look at hype.
You need to leave the caregiving job and take care of yourself.
Go clean up
Leave the 95 and tell the people them say you want more care. In your mouth see your bad Camcam.
Me not give no
I see that thing out of your whole line in your mouth. That's why a young boy run with you and want to deal with you. Why you, but you look for old pussy, you look for young man to keep your old active. You look for long time old. Your pussy where you fuck out a long time. I saw you still on you want fuck. All the days of your whole life. You never get enough fuck. When you're supposed to then your bed and ready to go 6 feet deep, you just want fuck. No man just do better than that woman.
Nobody,
you need to see your old and I reach your grave. You're supposed to get ready now to settle in your chapstick.
You are
I am a young man for fuck.
You are
all
alone.
the days
This
of
is
your life, you
America.
never
Run down man. All over blood clot America.
Me not run down man because we can sign application and get them one. Come to all your lip eat, your lip run regardless and left only the shadow. You don't have a lip, the shadow of your lip there for your face. Your lip, you stay bad for your big woman. You stay bad for your big woman. Long time fuck out woman. I fuck your son and your son. So you fuck your son and you get one picnic with your son. And the picnic is supposed to call your grandma. The picnic if call your grandma because you fuck your own son and get picnic. So then if you call your grandma. If I saw 95 make me look in America, you don't want him. You need to leave the take care job and take care of yourself. Brush your teeth, come. Stop the bleaching. Wash your body. Go in your bed and settle and measure yourself when you're going in 6 feet deep chapstick. You look a pussy not supposed to run for no young boy cocky. You all pum and look a young boy cocky for keep your all active. Yeah, look a young boy them cocky for no all for sweep good in your all full of your cobweb. And the old man them can't help you. So you want a young boy cocky to sweep your hole. You have to go away. I mean I want nobody come to me for a long time. The girl come for me, but guess what? I choose to answer her. No! I choose to answer she. No! Yeah, idiot. All you see me and the man a friend. All you see me idiot.
Oh, let her back in your house, Vani. Lady Pia crosses, Vani.
Destruction. Process like your woman drive from. Process like your woman.
Yeah, idiot. All me see them in me and the man.
Go suck your mother, Vani.
Me and the man and a friend.
Vani go suck your mother.
Alright, guys,
Vanny no say.
What the?
Vanny no say although me
let
and
the
him never
lady
agree.
talk.
He knows about the only one that's long and telling me truth.
Mute,
As
make
much as
Bonnie
me and
deal
him
with her.
agree.
Mute.
Gone to her. She gone. She not bad. She gone. That's all I come for say, miss. You come like on mad. That's all I come for
But
say.
remember, say the good stuff where you give your mother make you do so far in her life, you know. You get?
She gone. She talk and gone. Make you understand them, girl. Them would even have a decent conversation with me.
Hey, Vonnie.
You know, I said what there was a night here.
And I
Hey.
for my baby you hear in the background.
Okay.
Vonnie.
Eh? Oh, what that?
Hey, yeah, I just want to say that
Oh, Vanny Boo, what's going on, girl?
not much been watching you, love it.
That's what you said in the back. Who's
But I've
talking?
been trying to talk, but yeah, what I'm saying is a lot of people talking negative stuff over. You don't pay them no mind. Just make sure
Yes.
that you have your screen recording so when they talk about what they want to do to you and all of that, you have it as proof that you cannot go nowhere but stay in the US. And for me personally, I used to do 2 jobs. I really don't like working with people because you have a lot of nasty behavior in workplaces. If I was doing TikTok and making money, I would never ever leave it and go do no 9 to 5. I would invest in my TikTok. That is, and then, save your money, do whatever else you need to
Yep.
do, continue your income. Don't let nobody tell you nothing and you feel like you have to go do a job because that they're just trying to slow you down.
Actually, as any kind of shit me clean, me tired for clean shit now. Me
If
I
I
take up
could
back
do
on
TikTok right now and make money, I would. Do not listen to nobody. And not only that, asylum seekers are more or less safe. So don't let nobody tell you nothing.
Them can't-
Yes, I can't
Do
tell
what you
Vani
need
to
to
depend
do.
on TikTok
Do
alone.
what you
Vani,
need
get
to
one
do
nice
and do
couple
not
work,
call.
Vani.
Do not call Trump name and do not just don't avoid certain names.
No, me understand what she has said. Listen what she, listen what she has said. Me get what she has said. She has said she has said nothing wrong. She's saying most of these 9 to 5 where you go and like a clean people like they take care of them or any other job, you have customers where are 100% disrespectful. They don't have the behavior. If it
Not
was
even that, your
she,
own
hold on.
co-workers, they throw you under the
If it
bus.
was she in my position, she would have stay up on TikTok. She would have work on here and she would have invest. She would have save her money. Then when she come in out and like me and Wally for other people make enough money on the app. So the money that we make on the app can start a business or invest in a something so we
Yes,
can have
Vani,
something
do
different.
something with the money.
So she
Flip the
basically
money.
says, so she basically say, if you make money where you can go invest, then go look at 95 when we are go store. Cause me not go to the life. Majority of these 95, oh God, man, people are working on their foot all long for the clan.
And can't submit there, you can't pay your bills when money time
You don't see
come.
where your money are go.
But Vani, listen to me. First of all, hold on. You see? Yeah, but hold on. Listen to me. If Vani go look a job, she have to find a daycare to keep ice. How much a daycare? She not gonna make any money, and she have to do Uber and all of that.
She'll get childcare, don't worry, she'll figure it out.
Me soon got me look a job still. now.
Benny, you're so right because I am a CNA and last night I walk off my job. Last night I got with me.
Your blood clot over here, you take out and walk off a job. Think you could have come over here and get 5. Let me see what a blood clot here.
No, you won't give me.
That's why you come over here tonight because you want.
And that's what you never do.
Why hotel job where
Benny
you
the
have?
man, no, but I'm clean the man kick me, you know. Me say me not too bad I finish clean, me just take up my handbag and go home because they kick there. It's a deport kick me at because they kick there. I make a slap them and go to prison.
So where the hotel work,
my handbag and come home. They kick me at deport kick at me. They slap him, you that hear some me beat up patient and gonna and deport him. Me just cut my handbag and when I the car and never look back at the work.
Where the hotel work the way you did have.
Remember say and destiny them me fire me. Say you owe me something.
I mean, you say and the manager was good friend and him did the answer I phone the night. I think he would have saved you. He would did the answer.
Nothing hotel.
Hear the piece, Madina, I comments there like that.
First of all, the bad none of my business on the internet, my love. Very the man kicked me last night. The man give me the kick them give me a deep portion kick back there. So I'm just take up my handbag and leave up because I never want to lose my step and slap him.
I saw them old people say them love to kick and spit by them sitting like nursing on them. I which one so between that.
Yeah, I destruction of follow
You can't lick them. You cannot lick them because it's like if you lick them, you're prison yanko. You have to just lick them.
If you go lick them, man. Hello, what's going on? Go and go lick them.
Yeah, baby, you good?
Nah, lick them.
Yeah.
But if you walk off for the job, my love, and look
No, you don't remember me still.
somebody say pinch them.
For a long time. When I used to be a mobile man.
You know, me that work. Go a long time. That's enough.
Me know me want promotion, girl.
Eh? Figili, that's figili.
Yeah. Used to.
Sure, something, I remember.
You good too?
Yeah.
Bonnie, why you don't register? Why you don't get a LLC and register your business where you sell the other day?
Yeah, me I go sign up on it. Me start this up on it last night.
Ricky, I comment, are you Trump I go fix I come like you love battery.
Trump go fix Barney, Lady P, and the rest of them.
Are you Trump I go fix battery man?
So why not to call me name with Trump name? When you leave me alone, I'm protected under the blood of Jesus.
Everything then can chat about Trump. Nobody.
Bonnie, listen to me. Stop make them dry you out, no man. Come on, man. Them a eater. Stop make them dry you out. Them come tell about you. Them come tell about your baby. No make them dry you out. Them a crosses. Some of them want chat there for wappy kill fill up and they nano papers. Them mama nano papers. Their uncle nano papers. I know you one day nano papers. Me a family member where they are from here Jamaica days when rain a fall, you have to take umbrella go up and paint and then no papers. That one here, girl. Let them go suck them mama.
And suck her with a caprice and straw.
Exactly, like girl, listen to me.
You know?
I'm ask you a question. If you even go back to Jamaica, you can go England, you can go anywhere over the world, and America alone. Exactly, Canada accept immigrant like right now.
But you know, so them not so mad because me not understand
Jesus
why nobody
Christ!
We don't know see why Bonnie
You're
not go
stupid!
God bring Bonnie all the way through everything when she go through. We don't understand no matter how much everybody hate her and cuss her and she go jail and this happen and that happen and God I do everything this affair.
They say that all the time. Look what happened the other day and she come out.
Yeah,
and she not get deported and the whole of them. Mr. Varney, you see when you're going, me say.
And if you want to keep up with more bagger, swing for my dancehall story channel, because you know we're up and we're active and we have more people to mix. So we're ending this quick. Bless.